Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Thank you very much for joining us here at Parkgate Leisure. Give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. This afternoon we are bringing you a rather unusual Laika. So these Italian design, very fresh, clean, tidy looking motorhome this. It's only done 40,000 miles. It's a 2002. It is based on the Iveco, so I guess that's more of a small truck than it is a van. 6-speed, which is unusual for this sort of age. But yeah, I mean, bodywork wise, lovely. We've got an electric step there that's actually working. Unusual on these. It's very slow. Well, it's not very slow. It's a bit slow, but it does work. You can see we've got twin wheels at the back, so single axle twin wheels, so takes the weight nicely. All the tyres are good. As we come round the back, there's a bike rack on it. We've got a camera, spare wheel underneath. But yeah, I mean the sides and the panels on this are just superb. So yeah, just hang on one second, I will open the garage. So yeah, great big up and over door on the garage. Nice low floor, so all checker plated. That is your actual floor, so that's not covering up a load of damp or anything. But in the back here, there you go, look, full height. You can stand up in there, loads of storage up there for bits and pieces. Easily get a motorbike in here, or a load of downhill bikes, or whatever you're into. But acres of space in there. Somebody's already put a couple of electrical outlets in there, hangers for your coats and what have you. There's your windy handle for your canopy. We've got a great big gas locker next to that as well. But there you go. So, and again, just looking at the, you know, normally these corners are all scuffed and the side panels have got a bit of panel rot. There isn't on this van. It's lovely. So, door, you've got a bin, you've got your fly screens. So inside we've got a drop down bed over the cab, which I will show you. So ISRI seats in the cab, so these are sort of spring loaded like you'd find in a proper wagon drivers. Nice and chunky. There's a sort of camera there for it's almost like a dash cam. But yeah, moving back here, you've got 4 people round a dinette, 2 seat belts there. One is a proper 3-point, the other's a lap belt. Tucked away under there is an auxiliary heater. This table drops down to make so yeah, these panels here slide out to make the bed wider if necessary. On the opposite side here, you've got a lovely kitchen. We've got, I mean, the cupboards in these are lovely, a little bit of Italian design there, nicely rounded cupboards. Well, I was about to say loads of cupboard space, but there is a pipe goes through that one for your extractor. 3-burner gas hob, sink. You've got an oven down there, which is quite unusual on these Continental vans. In there you've got well, your hydraulic thing, pump, etc. There's a massive inverter, which I don't know why that's turned on. Don't know what someone's going to run on. Oh, no, it wasn't. There you go, that's turned off. Don't know what someone's going to run on that, but there you go. Fridge. Nice fridge. Great big freezer compartment across the top. So, moving towards the back of the van. There is a double bed. Now, there's 2 mattresses on there. I'm guessing the original, and somebody's put a memory foam one on. Take your pick. We'll keep one if you want, or you can take both and try them and see which one you prefer. But there you go. Not quite sure why there's a huge mirror up there as your headboard, but I'm sure that's been lots of fun for some folk. Into the bathroom. This is a slidey door here that does shut your bathroom off. Continuing on the ship theme, there's like a porthole and a little boat up there. Somebody's lined the walls in here. Now, I'm pretty sure that they certainly feel solid and sound. We've damp checked right the way across the top. That's all good. So I think possibly that's just because it is a shower room and someone's done it as preventative rather than afterwards, after there's an issue. Shower trays all good, swivel top toilet, so That's obviously spun round at the minute. You can spin it back this way if you're having a shower. Sink, nice big storage cupboard under the sink there. I mean, that's huge down there. Mirrors, etc. Your wardrobe, lovely big wardrobe with a slide out hanger for your clothes. Underneath this bed, not easy to get up with 2 mattresses on, but you can see there's loads more storage down there, and a smaller table. There's your water heater, etc. But yeah, a smaller table, so if you wanted to put a smaller one in there instead of that. So documentation, we've got an original, I know it doesn't look it, there's an original photocopied user manual there, nice picture of the van. There's a hab check that we've done, and a workshop manual, various other bits and pieces. We've had it into the workshop for a proper full service and a cambelt change. Yeah, it's about ready to go, I would say. Oh yeah, overcab bed, I was going to show you that too. So I've just popped those front 2 seats down, which I really would struggle to do one-handed, but this actual overcab bit you can just pull down with one hand, because it's on hydraulic, so it wants to stay up. And you've got a lovely big, I mean, that is a nice big double bed up there. That's certainly not skimping on space. Lots of shadows. It's really not all mucky, that, by the way. That is just a shadow on the mattress there. But yeah, lovely big bed. Certainly wouldn't feel like you're drawing the short straw if you ended up on there. There you go, guys. If you'd like to have a look at this, or you want to find out more about it, check out the website, parkgateleisure.co.uk. All the prices, etc. are on there.